Hi, I'm Stephen Webster. I'd like to welcome you to 4 at 389 Daly Street in Cloverdale. If you're looking for a well-appointed, easy care home, then this is the one for you. And as you can see, just on your doorstep, beautiful park as well. And you've got Notre Dame just a short walk away. And of course, Belmont Forum with its 10 cinema complex is only a 3-minute drive. So come on in and enjoy your tour. Hi, welcome back. Hope you've enjoyed your tour of 4 at 389 Daly Street in Cloverdale. As you can see, the home is well appointed and immaculate as well. For more details about property, please call my mobile. And as you know, the next viewing time is on the Burke's website.